everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Starmaker application. To learn how, watch the video till the very end, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into Starmaker, first of all, make sure you've downloaded the application on your device. After you are done, tap open the app, and from the home screen, you'll see a login button. Simply tap on the login button. Now, to log into Starmaker, you can either log in using your Facebook account, your Google account, or tap on More Ways at the bottom of the screen. After you do that, you'll see two more options. You can either enter your email address or your phone number. Choose any one you feel comfortable with and simply tap on it. If you tap on your phone number, then you'll need to select your country code and type in your phone number. After that, tap on the next button. A code will be sent to the number you just entered. Wait for it to arrive. After it arrives, simply copy the code and paste it on the box. Or you can type it in, and after you do that, you can bind with Facebook to log in with just one tap or set a password for your account. Choose any one you like. Let me choose Set Password for my Starmaker account. Now type in a password for your Starmaker. On the next field, confirm the password by typing it one more time. After you're done, tap on the Done button, and that is how you can sign up to Starmaker. To start your first karaoke, simply tap on the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen and choose a song which you want to sing by tapping on the Sing button. That is how you can sign up to Starmaker easily. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back again with more tutorial episode. Thank you for watching.